The roommate's mysterious snack stash. You discover your roommate has been secretly hoarding snacks in weird places, inside the couch cushions, under the bed, and in the laundry basket. You launch a full investigation to find them all, and end up discovering their secret snack fortress. The overzealous online shopper. You get a little too excited shopping online during a late-night binge, and end up buying 12 of the same item because you can't remember what's in your cart. The deliveries start arriving, one by one.
The missing sock mystery. You lost a sock in the laundry and set off on a dramatic investigation to find it. You interview suspects, other clothes, and uncover wild theories about where it went.